Go ahead.
Oh, this is fireworks, big baby. You froze my head.
In a world where three celebrities, all fours in their own way, get lost in the jungle.
That's
Oh,
hot.
baby, how was I supposed to know that you were such a pervert? They get lost and they meet up with a young foreigner boy named Pablo Francisco.
Oh, my foot's stuck in the mud! Oh no! Help me!
Hola.
You want to come back to my place for some Jesus juice?
Hola.
Gross!
Oh yeah. Oops, you did it again, Michael.
Why are we in the jungle? There's animals that come out here and kill us!
They have to hunt Mr. Turkey Hand for their food.
Ah! There's one! I can't do that!
Oh no, oh no.
Michael
Yeah.
Jackson. Paris Hilton.
That's hot.
Britney Spears. Oops, I'm in a movie again. Mr. Turkey Hand
Huh?
and this foreign boy are lost in a jungle.
Hola.
Rated PG-13.
Not really.
Oh,
That's hot.